Well, hey there. I am in Ukiah, Oregon on this fine day, and I am sitting at the main park. And if you go to that store there, you can get gas. We're going to head directly south, and we'll be doing Highway NF 52. Let's check it out. BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy. Ukiah is at a nice crossroads. You can continue straight east, straight in front of me here, to 244, which is a nice meander through the woods, over to La Grande. If you head directly west, you go back to Heppner. You can also head north, up to Pendleton on 395. There's that store. You can get something to eat there, get some gas there. It's a quirky old place, but it's really good. And what we're doing today is we're heading south, and this is going to be NF 52, and we're going to end up later on in Baker City. But really, what we're doing, NF 52 basically ends at Granite, which is a really teeny-weeny little town. So this route is going to be down to Granite. Just look at this day. I love coming out places like this. If you like sparse population, open areas, farms, hills, land, it just goes on and on and on, Easton Oregon is one of the prime places. The roads are phenomenal. The area is just beautiful. And if you come out in a day like this, with this kind of weather, it's hard to beat. Gotta love it. So this barn right here is one of my favorites. It's actually one of my favorite photos I've taken in the last few years. It's just perfect, and if you get a little bit of cloud above it, you know, you take a picture, you can really make something nice out of it, get underneath those power lines. Love barns. You ready? This road's just going to get better and better and better. Here we go. Man, this road surface is perfect. You know, there aren't a lot of epic mountain views or anything like that, but there's a couple views like this of a valley stretching out in front of you. Just figured I'd stop, take a picture. Photo stop done. Think I'll get out of here. Don't want to be in their way. Right now we're excuse me. Right now we're up here on the top, and you can see for quite a ways, which is kind of cool. And if you look straight in front of me here, you can see the remnants of forest fire that happened a while back. You know, you can see how thinned out it is, and the trees that are up there and whatnot. But there is some new growth that's you see popping up, which is kind of cool. You know, sort of the circle of life and all that. It's not the most amazing views you've ever seen, But it's real easy to get distracted. Just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Keep your eyes on the road. I know. That's not bad. Look at that. Nice valley view. Just green goes on and on and on over the hills. Nice. And there's just nothing out here. I mean, that's the reason, one of the reasons I love this place. I almost never see cars. I mean, I don't live out here, but I've been out here a few times, and it's always like this. Gotta love it. Sorry, just having too much fun. Oh, geez. Yeah, at least there's one bump. Heading downhill in this sort of middle section, you'll see the road surface changing slightly. It's not bad, obviously, but you can tell that it's a bit sort of weather worn. Rough winters and all that, they don't they don't keep it up as they would other areas. They don't need to. There's just not enough traffic up here to worry about it. But it's not, there's no potholes or anything, not yet. I'm just trying to find something to talk about because look at this road, look at these views. Just repeating myself now. Yes, indeed. through here, there's a bunch of crap all over the road. You can see the stuff on the side, some dust and gravel being kicked up, and a little bit of light broken surface at this point. Again, nothing to really write home about. That's kind of cool looking. We are a few miles down the road, and as you can see, we're getting down altitude a little bit, being a little more surrounded by trees. We're no longer sort of on the top looking out over everything. We're carving our way down and down into it a little bit more again. Hey, a car! Wow, actual people. If you turn left here and take 51, that will take you up to 244, which you can then kick over to Granite if you want. That's one way to go. Road surface is getting a bit rougher, just something to be aware of. A little more sketchy here and there, but nothing a modern bike, especially a bike like this one, is Versys, can't handle. So a left turn here onto 73 takes you into an area known as the Little Alps. And if you look on the map, that road is fantastic. I wish I was doing it, but I'm heading down here, down to Granite, like I said, and then up the backside. I'm going to be doing 245 as well. Check this channel, subscribe to be notified when that review comes out. That's another amazing road. Rough road. That doesn't look too bad. They always kind of over scare you there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that qualifies. Do a little tiptoeing. I don't know. I've seen worse. No! Just kind of pick my way through here. Come on, look through the corners. Things are encroaching. The road is getting narrower. So, what do I think of NF52? Well, I quite like it. It's not intense. As you've seen from this video, there's some good corners. It's all very sweepery. Lots of sweepery goodness. So it's kind of a speed touring situation. The surface goes from being phenomenal to being a little rough, as you've seen, but no major potholes. I'm not, busting my lumbar or anything. Scenery, lots of trees, and some valley views. It's not really a destination road, but it's a great way to connect, especially if you're coming 244 from Ukiah. You can hook up with 5173, as I pointed out earlier. You can head this thing down and across and then do 245, which is another video coming up. And I've done this road a couple times, and if I come back out here to Easton Oregon next summer, I'll probably do it again. Granite. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the BMR TV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.